Good afternoon, my Cuban Beauties. Welcome back to my channel. This is Cuban Beauty. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for joining us today. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe and join my channel. Thanks. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. Hey guys, I have a little bit of an unboxing today. We're going to be unboxing my Ipsy and my Boxycharm. And if you look, my Boxycharm is still sealed. Gotta cover my address up. It is completely sealed. I haven't opened it yet. I do, however, want to tell y'all that we are up to 105 subscribers. Guys, that is fabulous. I can't thank y'all enough. Next, I want to tell y'all the reason I don't have my Ipsy bag in the pink bag is because when I received it yesterday in the mail, the bag had been ripped open and all my stuff was put into my bag. So, I don't know. If the mail lady accidentally tore it open, I'm not going to accuse anybody of anything. I mean, it was an accident. It's whatever. If you're seeing a different wall behind me, by the way, I'm in the kitchen today. Thought I'd do something different. I'm trying to revamp my makeup room, really change it up towards more of a YouTube studio this weekend. I'll be getting some real nice lighting and a real nice backdrop too, because I need to change it up a little bit. But anyway, let's get down to this unboxing, okay guys? We're going to start off with Ipsy. So be sure you have your passports ready because we're going to go off somewhere. So for the moment, please buckle your seatbelts and hold on tight for the takeoff. Here we go. We're going to look in here. After the safety demonstration, of course, we're going to go through this bag. Let's see. Alright, guys. This is really, really cute. I like how it's stamped like all over the place. It says Paravion, which I know it's French. You've got Thailand. There's some other places, but I can't read them. Sorry. I don't know where they're at. There's New York, New York. There's Jamaica. But like I said, there's other countries that I can't really understand. There's Paris, but I don't understand where they are. So it is what it is. It's a nice little bag. It's not cloth. It's like I'm going to say vinyl because I know it's not leather. So, and the back is a really pretty coral. I only get one bag, as y'all know, and this is my profile. So we're going to go in here and look at it together. For starters, I got this cute little beauty blender. That is tiny, guys. I have my trusty little knife there. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, this is an itty-bitty little baby blender. I mean, that's a beauty blender, but that's tiny. If I did that to do my makeup, I'd be here for hours. But it looks like it's maybe good for, like, the under eye, you know, dabbing on that concealer, maybe. I don't know. That's about the only thing I could do. Maybe contour, you know, kind of bake a little bit, which I don't do, as y'all know. But it would be good for contouring. I mean, I'm sorry. For concealer, that's not a bad little guy for concealer. It's cute. It's pink. Yes, I'm in my glasses today. I don't have my contacts in today. I've decided to just wear my contacts on the weekends and wear my glasses during the week. I don't go anywhere. If I go somewhere, then I'll wear my contacts. I also got this bottle of perfume. I know it's a perfume because I opened it yesterday when I got the package. It's by Kenzie. Never heard of them. It says... I gotta put my glasses back on so I can read. Sorry, folks. It says, Loving Life is the name of this perfume. It's a cute little bottle. This is the first time I've ever gotten fragrance from Ipsy, though it's been on my profile for a year. Let's try it, shall we? I haven't tried it. I just opened it just to see what it was. So, that smells pretty good. I like that. It's a very soft scent. I like it. I'll definitely use that one. I'll add it to my to my perfume collection, which is slowly growing, so that's good. All right, let's keep... Oh, a coupon for the Kinsey. 50% off a 3.4-ounce bottle or a gift set. I don't know. It says, become a fan and get a free gift. I'm not sure what this goes for, so I'm not sure. $5, 50% off. Well, 50% off is a lot, yes, but it depends how much the main bottle is. I will look into that for y'all and let y'all know, okay? While I'm editing this, I'll look it up and I'll look on the bottom. I'll include all of this in the description down below, and I will find out what a full size of that costs to let y'all know. The next is Dose, don't know. Max Lash Volumizer Mascara. I have a ton of mascara, but let's look at this wand. See what it looks like. Okay, that is a huge wand. That is big, if y'all can see that. Put that down so y'all can see. That's a really large wand. It's got a lot of product on it, but it looks like a good wand that can really brush through your lashes. I don't want to put any mascara on right now because, like I said, I don't have any makeup on. Nothing. I don't have anything on. Just me. This is me en natural. Sorry. Alright, guys. Oh, I'm excited about this. The Tarte. It's the, well, if I could open it, I'll tell you. The Smooth Operator. I'm very excited about this. I love Tarte. Tarte's one of my favorite products. So, I like that. I do like Tarte. I'm not going to say I don't. Okay, and this is a Pop Goes the Shadow in Goldie by Elizabeth Mott. Let's check this out. Okay, if I can get it open. That is a pretty little color. What do y'all think? I like that color. For a natural color, natural look, which seems to be my thing lately, are natural looks, but I'm trying to move out of that. Okay, I'm going to swatch out. It's very pigmented. Very pigmented. I'll show you the swatch on my hand. I hope y'all can see it here. Let me get to my camera. There we go. Again, I am filming on my MacBook Pro. My camera's still a little bit on the fritz as far as wanting to record. That's all I got from Ipsy, guys, so it wasn't bad. I got my 5 normal products, which wasn't bad. And again, I will link down below how much a full size of this Kenzie perfume is. And it's called Loving Life, I guess is the scent. I don't know. It smells good. It's very clean. I like it. All right, folks. That's the one bag. That's the Ipsy. We're moving on to my favorite box, my favorite subscription box, which is Boxycharm. Well, I'm telling y'all about this. Tomorrow I'm doing a hush haul. I want to know if y'all want me to do that live, or do you just want me to unbox it for y'all and just record the video? If you want me to do it live, please leave your comments down below. If I do it live, I will be doing it around 6 p.m. Central Standard Time tomorrow. So just be cognizant of that, okay? Alright, guys, let's go through my Boxycharm. It says Boxy Bash. Wow. And then, of course, on the back, it has all the wonderful stuff that we have. Cover effects, coupons, and the Pure Effects coupons. Boxy Bash. Okay, hold on. Let's go through this one by one. Alright, guys, I got a beautiful Aesthetica P12. This seems to be, it says, the brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. It doesn't say what it's for, it just says that it allows for maximum control. Oh, it's the face brush. Okay, I'm guessing maybe powder. It's too soft for concealer, and I wouldn't mess with it for concealer. I'm going to guess this is for blush and all. It is synthetic bristles, but it is a nice brush. Very soft, and it's an Aesthetica in P12. Okay, if you want to see that, Aesthetica P12. Beautiful bristles. Beautiful. It's so soft. Really, really soft. Okay, here are the other brushes that we were promised in the Boxycharm. For those of y'all that don't get Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a $21 a month box subscription, but you get amazing products. You really, really do. I mean, you get full-size products. This brush alone retailed for $27, guys. Boxycharm is well worth it. I promise you it is. I probably have about $700 worth of product just already, just from being with them for 3 months. Okay, this is the Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio. This eye trio alone retails for $45. I'm going to take them out so y'all can see them. Okay, this is the Aesthetica. Does not have a number. It's just an angled eye brush. You know, if you want to do your smoky eye underneath and all that, that's for that one, okay? Here's a spoolie brush. I love spoolie brushes. You know, when you're doing your brows, which might look like caterpillars right now, so they really need some help. But you get the idea. It's the spoolie brush. Again, no number, just an Aesthetica as the others. The last one, if I can get it on... Okay, hold on. Ow. Shit. Sorry, that hurt. Okay, this is a really fine spoolie. This was like if you want to put, you know, like eyeliner up underneath your waterline. Again, it's an Aesthetica. Beautiful brush. And there's a reason we got these, and I'm going to show you why now. It goes with our Pretty Vulgar liquid eyeliner. I love Pretty Vulgar. I love their products. This little beauty retails for $24. It's the ink gel eyeliner. Let's see how beautiful it is. So you see why we got the eye trio to go with this beautiful stuff. Oh, hello. Oh, looks are deceiving. It looks like you're going to dig into an inkwell. Okay. Cosmo. Sorry, guys. That's my cat. Oh, man. That eyeliner is gorgeous. It's right here. This black one right here. Next to the eyeshadow that I got from Ipsy. That is beautiful. I like that. I love that it comes in this little inkwell. I mean, it's so in this little inkwell-looking bottle. That is so pretty. And again, that retailed for $24. Did I tell y'all? I'm sorry. Got to backtrack a little bit. These 3 brushes retailed for $45. Okay, I got another thing from, I'm having a brain fart here, from Boxycharm. It's the H-A-N Skincare Cosmetics All Natural Lip Gloss. That's pretty. The color is Nude Rose. This one I'll try for you. I'll just put it on. I don't have anything on, but I don't mind wearing a lip gloss. Or a lip stain, rather. Let's see. That's pretty. Oh. I like that. Y'all comment down below what y'all think. I like that color. That one's pretty. Alright, folks. I've been waiting for this forever. It's the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Oh, my goodness. It's 30 milliliters. 1 fluid ounce right there. And that one retailed for $38. $38, guys. I'm trying to see what this lip gloss retailed for, but I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Okay, and the lip gloss was a $15 retail. That's not bad. There is more in my box. Give me time to find it. There it is. Okay, guys, we got a palette, which we always get a palette of some sort with Boxycharm, which I love. This is called the Pure Sculptor. It is a sculpting palette for 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades. This one retailed for $30. I'm so happy we got... Oh, crap, I'm breaking it. Hold on, guys. I think I'm breaking it. Oh, Lord, I don't know what I'm doing. It's not opening. Oh, because it's stuck together. Duh, dummy. I'm breaking my package here because I'm a dummy. Wow. Okay. It was sealed shut. Of course it was. Good, because it had a safety seal. Holy Moses. These are the highlighters. If you can see them, they're gorgeous. And I love the sculpting, the contouring powders. I needed some contouring powders because I'm just about out. Same with highlighter. I'm running out. So this is perfect. They couldn't have sent this at a more perfect time. Especially with summer coming up, I'm going to really need these darker contour colors. These 2 primarily because the summer's coming and I get really dark. So that's a godsend. They sent me that just in time. Again, that was $30. The blurring primer was $38. The Pretty Vulgar Ink eyeliner was $24. The trio of the Aesthetica brushes, which are the eye brushes, alone are $45. I'm not trying to look down, guys. I'm just trying to look at this card to tell you what all is all. The P12 face brush, $27 for just the one brush. And then, of course, the Han Skincare lip gloss was $15. And I get this box every month for $21. You do the math. This is well worth it. I promise y'all. It is well worth its price. Most of that Aesthetica brush alone paid for the box. So, I mean, that's worth it to me. I don't mind. Alright, guys. That's my Boxycharm. That's my Ipsy. And before I forget, because I completely forgot, and I'm sorry, Ipsy, if you don't know, is a $10 a month subscription. You get 4 to 5 sample-sized products to try. So, it's up to you if you want to do it. I've done it for a year. My husband lets me. He says it's my little treat. I guess you could say it just gives me something to do. And it keeps me from wanting to go out and buy makeup all the time, which is true, even though I still do, because he lets me. And my Boxycharm, again, $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5. Actually, this month we got 6. These are full size or deluxe size. These are not samples. You never get samples. You get full size or deluxe size products for $21 a month. Again, everything I discussed in the video will be linked down below, so stay tuned. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe and join the Cuban Beauty family. And also, tomorrow's my Hush reveal. the pallets that I bought 2 pallets and got 2 for free. So it's really cool. So if y'all want to see what I got in Hush, let me know. I can do a live unboxing if you want. Again, that'll be around 6 o'clock Central Standard Time. I need to know if that works for you. Let me know, because I want to do it for you. Let me know. Hope you join the family. Love you guys. See you later. Bye.